I'm here to show you the jaw harp that I bought from an e-commerce marketplace website. And okay, I guess this video has been okay, everything is failed since this is a jaw harp. It's something 3D printed, and honestly I thought it's a real instrument, but I guess I could not imagine that it's going to be made out of plastic fiber, and this will cause the instrument to not be able to resonate. I saw a string on the normally I should be able to hit it and make the sound by resonating the resonate chamber in my mouth, like this or this instrument. These are the actual jaw harps. One of them is manufactured like in a factory, and this one is handmade. And this one normally it has to, but yeah, it should have a string. It was another type of jaw harp. Normally they sound like when you hit them or pull by a string, they make this thing vibrates, and your mouth gives a resonating chamber, becomes a resonating chamber, so it gives resonance. My cat dropped her toy again. Okay, no. And yeah, it was the shortest demonstration of any product that I bought. Actually, this was the first demonstration of any product that I bought. I hope I can get a refund by just giving the excuse like it does not have the string part, which I saw on the listing. So right now I'm checking. Yeah, it's here, and it looks like that there must be a hole, and here another hole, but and the string, and okay, they tell so much, but also okay. No, this will not work in any kind, and if I pull this in a force that can make it vibrate with a sound, it will be broken at that moment. They keep losing their place. The cats. Here. Yeah, they're here. Okay. Good packaging. I will send it back to them. Do not want to deal with this item and this corporation which makes replica stuff out of 3D printer. No way, that's not an instrument. This is an instrument. Bye for now.